on 1170 AM and on 1073 FM. I have word from my producer Sammy that we have a important message coming over the NX, so here it is. Listen, okay, here it is. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts State Emergency Management Agency, or MISMA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A massive telephone outage has occurred for Massachusetts in Boston. This includes the 911 system. All landline systems and mobile systems are down. The majority phone providers who are mostly affected by this are, but are not limited to, Cricket Wireless, Xfinity Mobile, Consumer Cellware, T-Mobile Communications, and Sprint Communications. If you have an emergency, please let one of your loved ones or family members drive you to the nearest hospital, fire station, or police station. Also, communications with intercoms and dispatchers are suspended, so if you have a fire emergency, use a hose, bottled water, or fire extinguisher to all means necessary. Alright, well, Doggy. I didn't know that dispatching systems are connected to landlines and mobile communications. Well, let me recap it for you if you just joined 1170 AM or 1073 FM. The MISMA authorities spotted a major telephone outage in Boston, and also 911 was down, and, okay, well, we have another EAS thingy McJigger coming over the wire as we speak, so, here it is. I knew that the FCC could not fix this bull frick. Mother fricker.